Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here at Six Flags Magic Mountain, and you just saw West Coast Racers go by here, but we're actually doing a quick little walkthrough of the section of the park they call the Underground. So we're going to be walking over here now. We're actually in the back of the Underground here by Apocalypse, which is actually closed today, which is quite a bummer because it's a really good ride. Actually one of my top GCIs, but we just came off of Samurai Summit up there by Tatsu and such. So now the theming here is, of course, the Underground is more like Urban Decay, I guess. But over here, as soon as you come in this way, you got the snack track, snacks and refill station. And then, of course, on this side over here, you actually have snack tracks where you can actually, basically what they have is cotton candy, super pretzels, that kind of stuff here. Now, when you head back this way, this is actually closed up right here, but this is Welcome to Ash Valley. Now you can see this a lot when you are actually on Apocalypse, which is the wooden coaster, which is right here, the GCI coaster. But this is a haunt area, so during their Six Flags Fright Fest, that opens up there. But they actually do have the Haunt Emporium here, exclusive Fright Fest merchandise. So let's see if we can go inside here quick to show you what we got here. Right in the front here, you actually got a nice little scary witch. So, and everything's kind of tinted blue. So, oh, she actually talks to you. That's kind of entertaining here. But here they got hats and stuff like that. Now, Six Flags with their Fright Fests are great money makers for them. With our home park being Six Flags Great Adventure, it's something that we see all the time there. I got Saw merchandise there. I went to play. Over here's all Fright Fest things here. So I have noticed at other parks, I know, I think it was Six Flags America, they had the haunt stuff out, and Great Adventure too. So this is something new where they actually have the Fright Fest stuff all year round. That's probably the scariest right there. And over here's some more shirts. But it's all the way in the back corner of the park. Oh, who doesn't like a scary ass clown, right? Right there you go, scary ass clown. But we're gonna walk by the witch again so she can talk to me. Hey, witch. Alright, so that was kind of interesting there. But right over here is Apocalypse, the ride. Like I said, it is down today, and that's where we came from there. Now, what I really like about this area here, if you want to talk about the Underground, they got the old Mr. Six bus here. I got my picture taken with it the first day I was here. This is actually the third day I'm here, so this is a add-on spotlight. But it's just the Mr. Six bus. So if you remember those commercials, here you go, Six Flags bus. And over there, the pit stop is the restrooms, which, let's be honest, that is a great name. Now, they call it the Underground, but it's kind of changed a little bit here because of their main attraction, besides Apocalypse back there, is West Coast Racers. And we're gonna wait here for a second. All right, there's a swing, giant swing they have too. Just wanna wait here for a second so you can see the West Coast Racers go by. Oh, here it is, perfect timing. That's the high five moment. Now, I know this ride doesn't get as much love as like Wicked Colossus or Twisted Colossus, but the one thing about this is that it always does dual, as you can see, unlike Twisted Colossus, which half the time it doesn't. All right, and next to that is Twin Charged Tacos, which is a typical taco stand here. You can also get burritos and such. Over here is all seating. And then, of course, back here you gotta have Coaster Candy. So, I'll peek in there real quick here to show you what they have here, but it is a typical candy shop that you see at most of the Six Flags parks. Even though they do have some really adorable plushies right here when you come in. But they're not lying, this is all candy here. In the back here, you actually can have different cakes and stuff. And of course, this is where you can get different fudges. I see the Heath fudge, that's pretty good. Butterfingers, trying jelly donut, that one looks pretty neat. So it has some good flavors here actually. I might have to pick some up. But 2 caramel apples, 1 for 10 bucks and stuff like that. Fresh fudge, $5.99 each. Now the pieces are a lot smaller than at Dorney Park, but buy 4 pieces, get 2 free. That is tempting. So might be back here later for that, but this is the typical candy store you got there. The pineapples and stuff. And then right here empties out right here to West Coast Racers, which is the newest attraction out this way. It's no longer the newest roller coaster. That honor now goes to Wonder Woman. But right there is the line and stuff like that. And we can watch the launch right there. The operations for this are pretty good, but I do like the fact that it always does dual. So that's a positive. And then, of course, they have all the cars here for the custom cars here. So this is the mini truck. Over here is the Euro style. This one here is the lowrider. Kind of looks like something my grandfather had. And over here is the rat rod. And then, of course, they have the speed apparel shop. So if you're into cars, that's where you want to go there. And then right around this corner right here is the chicken coop, which is a quick serve, like a lot of these places are. Here you got the chicken meals for about 20 bucks. You get baskets, which come with fries and stuff like that. So if you're looking for chicken, that's where you want to go. Here's a good look at the custom right there. All right. Now, over here, like I said, that is the custom shop right there. Let me go inside. Also go inside for a second here, show you a little bit. A lot of Six Flags stuff here. I do like this. This is what they have at Dorney Park too. It's these, let me darken them up a little bit here. They have Magic Mountain for X2, Goliath, X2 Goliath. So basically I have Goliath and an X2 there for 50 bucks. But I also have some Six Flags stuff here too. So Twisted Colossus stuff. I do like the Twisted Colossus stuff there. But the rest of this is West Coast Racers. Over here is Cadillac and all that kind of stuff here. So now you coming over here, we're almost to the end of the underground. But there is two more things that I would like to actually show you. Over here, they actually have go-karts. So I think this is kind of neat because I actually haven't seen the go-karts going. And the name of the go-karts, let me see what the name is quick here before I get too far into it. It's called Circuit Breaker Grand Prix. And these are actually pretty nice looking Grand Prix trucks here. So no bumping, stuff like that. It's a pretty narrow track, but it does go back there by West Coast Racer. And it also goes back there by Apocalypse. And then over here is the Underground Arcade. So we'll show you this real quick. It's not one of the bigger arcades, but they do have a couple things. They got some Monster Crane, Slam Dunk, Cruisin' Blast, cars there. Halo, of course. They got Hoops Fever. A couple cage games here. And there you go. And then last but not least, I want to show you is the Dive Devil. So Circuit Breaker right there, that's an upcharge, and so is the Dive Devil. Dive Devil is the giant swing here. Let's give you the prices here. For the Dive Devil, you can get a single for $35. You can get a double for $55. And if you want to stick 3 people on top of each other, it's $60. And then over here for the go-karts, pretty much, don't say the prices, they are. Driver is 15 bucks. Solo driver must be 50 inches tall and all that. So, but that is a complete walkthrough of what they call the Underground at Six Flags Magic Mountain. If you like what you saw, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.